All right, lesson 4.2. Today's lesson is finding the area of a triangle. And your target was I can find the area of right triangles and other triangles by composing into rectangles. And you're going to apply these techniques in the context of solving real-world and mathematical problems. All right, key idea. Written out in words, the area of a triangle is 1/2 the product of its base and its height. Notice we use the word product, which we have done in former lessons, in previous lessons, and the b and the h are lowercase because they can be replaced by variables. Here's your algebraic expression. Sometimes you will see it written like this, which is the same thing because half of something is just divided by 2. All right, let's take a look at example 1. It's finding the area of the triangle. In example 1, it says area equals 1/2 base times height. Again, you write your formula. These steps are important. This is what you'll have to do for any work. Then you write the distributive property like we had done before. We had done 1/2 times one variable, 1/2 times another variable. So you've got 1/2 times 5 times 8. All right? You've got 2 numbers in parentheses. So you do those first. 5 times 8 is 40. And then half of that is 20. Do not do half of 5, half of 8. You don't need to do it that way. You've got to notice your parentheses. Then you get 1/2 of 40 is 20. You can also multiply 1/2 and 40 and come up with the same answer. So it's 20 square inches. All right. Next thing, you're going to draw this triangle on grid paper, and actually you don't have to do it with this one, and count the unit squares. Each square in the grid represents 1 square inch. The squares that are full or nearly full are 18. Those are all your pink squares. The squares that are half full are 4. The area is 18 times 1 plus 4 times half, which is 20 squares. Now, this is a good way to check your answer. Is this answer reasonable? Obviously it is, because it is the same as the exact answer. Now, before you do the on your own, I would like you to do this example using all the steps from the example that's on the screen or in your book on page 160. All right, I want you to write out the formula, do the distributive property, multiply, and then figure out your answer. Once you have done that, click on the shape where the hand comes up and the video will show you your answer. When you're done, come back for the answers to the on your own that you've done. All right, for the on your own, number 1 should look like this with all the steps written in it, and your final answer is 22 feet squared. Number 2 should have the same steps, different numbers, and it's 110 meters squared. That's the end of example 1.